introduce myself first? Apakah uh, perlu saya memperkenalkan diri terlebih dahulu? Okay, my name is Lutfi Matisham, and I'm from student from the University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta, and I'm from class B, from lesson TEFL, and I want to teach you all. The material is about hobbies. Okay, from the first one, the activity one is you should watch a short video that I was given to you. Okay, next to the video.
English together. Tell me about your hobbies.
Hi there. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
By the way, I'm Ben. What's your name?
I'm Amy. Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too, Amy. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy painting and drawing. It's a great way to relax and be creative. How about you?
I love playing guitar. I've been playing for a few years now. It's so much fun.
That's awesome. Do you play in a band or just for fun?
Mostly for fun. I play with friends sometimes, but it's mostly a hobby.
That sounds really cool. I would love to hear you play someday.
Sure, let me play it for you now. What is your hobby? Please tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to give us a like and share the video with your friends.
How's that?
Okay, maybe enough for the video, and I want to continue about the next activity is I want to show you some of pictures about hobbies, about several hobbies. Okay, this is a kind of uh, many hobbies. For the example, there is fishing, riding a horse, swimming, riding a bike, flying a kite, surfing the web, drawing, watching TV, going to the cinema, cooking, traveling, shopping, walking with a dog, playing phone games, reading, hanging out with friends, dancing, making videos, taking photos, singing, listening to music, playing the drums, playing the guitar, working out, doing gymnastics, playing football, skateboarding, and skiing, and etc. So I want to ask you, what's your favorite hobbies that usually you do in your weekend? Apa hobi favorit kalian yang sering kalian lakukan ketika libur?
Playing
Playing phone games, and you?
Same.
Oh, same. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's for the showing pictures of people doing various hobbies. And next to activity 3, there is students listen to several sentences. Okay. I want you to listen to this conversation. Please listen carefully. Okay.
My favorite hobby is reading. I love to read books, especially stories and adventures. I spend an hour every evening reading. It helps me relax and learn new things. Reading makes me happy and lets me explore different worlds. It's the best way to spend my free time. My favorite hobby.
Okay. Maybe from this video, where is the difficult vocabularies for you to understand? Mana kosakata yang menurut kalian yang mungkin kalian tidak ketahui? Especially, okay. I will explain about this vocabularies. Especially is some kind of that you most like in your whole life. Jadi, especially itu untuk mengungkapkan bahwa sesuatu itu spesial atau yang paling kalian sukai dari suatu hal. Misal kalian suka baca buku, nah, genrenya itu tentang petualangan, kayak gitu ya. Nah, itu untuk mengungkapkan sebuah sesuatu hal yang kalian sangat sukai, ya, especially ya, kurang lebih seperti itu. There is another vocabularies, or maybe nothing. Then make small groups from you two. Then discuss about the difference between like, love, and enjoy in daily expression. Jadi kalian diskusilah berdua buat menanyakan apa perbedaannya antara suka, like, love, mencintai, dan enjoy, menikmati dalam ungkapan sehari-hari. Ini kalian diskusi. Kalian diskusi ya. Jadi mungkin menanyakan apa bedanya antara tiga verb atau kata kerja ini ya. Nah, silakan. Apa perbedaan antara tiga ini? Mungkin bisa ditanyakan kalau nggak tahu.
Enjoy kan menikmati.
Nah, ya.
Terus perbedaannya apa?
Okay, I will explain about the difference between three verbs. Between these three verbs. Okay, from like. Jadi suka itu hanya sekedar melakukan untuk mengisi waktu kosong saja. Jadi enggak setiap kali atau setiap waktu dilakukan. Terus kalau love atau mencintai itu lebih daripada itu. Jadi kalian itu bukan melakukannya bukan hanya di hari libur saja. Jadi di hari-hari biasa gitu kalian tetap ngelakuin hobi itu, misal hobi olahraga atau hobi em, membaca buku, itu kan pasti dilakukan di setiap hari bukannya di weekend. Dan untuk enjoy itu perbedaannya adalah bagaimana kamu itu menikmati atau mendalami hobi itu. Jadi misal contoh kalimatnya I like reading book with my friend in library. Gitu. Nah, terus kalimat kedua dari contoh verb love itu misal I love doing cook in kitchen with my mother. And next to the last verbs is enjoy. The example atau contohnya kalimatnya seperti ini, misal I enjoy watching TV every night with my father. Ya, paham? Oke. Jadi perbedaannya di situ tadi, dan itu masing-masing tadi contoh kalimatnya. Okay. Next to the stage 3, exploring and experimenting. Okay, students read a short conversation related hobbies provided by the teacher. Okay. Okay. Now, please read this example of the dialogue from Tia and Rani. Okay. Is it clear? Jelas? Okay. Jadi bacaannya itu nanti digunakan ketika menjawab soal di activity 2. I give you 3 minutes to read the dialogue. 3 minutes. Enough? Okay. Next to the activity 2, students answer comprehension questions based on the dialogue. So, from the first question, what is Rani's hobby? What?
Draw or paint.
Oh, okay. I usually draw or paint. Okay. Next to the second question, what does Tia like doing? Painting. Okay. Excellent. There is some sentence like I enjoy painting too. What did who did say that? Siapa yang mengatakan? Iya, okay. Next to the third question, what club does Rani suggest joining? Klub apa yang disarankan oleh Rani untuk bergabung?
Art club together.
What?
Art club together.
Okay. Maybe there's a little mistakes from your answer. So for the third answer is the art club. Okay. Together meaning from together mention that who did want to join. Jadi together ini menyebutkan siapa orangnya, ya, bukan nama klubnya. Ya. Okay. Last question is, do they have the same hobby? Apakah mereka memiliki hobi yang sama? Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Next, write on your book now. For the activity 3. From indoor hobbies, there is reading, drawing, and cooking. And from outdoor hobbies, there is playing football, cycling, and gardening. So write on your books now and link it. Jadi tulis di buku, lalu nanti disilang. Okay, it's done. Now link it, dipasangkan sesuai okay. So you just write it. Jadi ditulis saja dulu, nanti untuk pertanyaannya dari stage selanjutnya. And then next to the activity 1 is communicating from stage 4. Students make a short oral presentation. Example 2 until 3 sentences about their favorite hobby and why they like it. Oke, jadi kalian di sini tugasnya membuat kalimat seperti ini. Ini ada contohnya seperti ini. Oke. Jadi tugas kalian buatlah kalimat atau deskripsikan hobi kalian. Nggak usah panjang-panjang. Jadi silakan dibuat seperti ini. Now, I will give you 5 minutes to uh, tell about your favorite hobby and why you like that hobby. Jadi tak kasih waktu 5 menit, ceritakan hobi favorit kalian, lalu berikan alasan. Oke, ya, siapa? Duluan. Yang udah ditulis tadi, dibaca aja.
My hobby is cooking. I practice every weekend.
Every weekend, okay. You? What's your favorite hobbies and what reason you like that hobbies?
My hobby is swimming.
Swimming, okay. Alasannya kenapa menyukai hobi? What the reason? Why do you like that hobbies? Okay. So you enjoy swimming, maybe with your friends, right? Okay. Next to the second activity. Okay. There is some sample sentence. Okay. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sentence, and I want you read each of them too. Jadi ada contoh kalimat tentang hobi di sini. Masing-masing dari kalian baca 2. Dari yang pertama.
My hobby is reading books.
Okay, next.
I like playing football.
Okay. Next, third sentence.
I love listening to music. My hobby is reading.
Okay. Is it there is some difficult vocabulary? Apakah ada kosakata yang sulit yang belum dimengerti? No. Okay. Next to the activity 3. Okay. There is a short sentence, and I will read this, sentence. Then you repeat after me. Jadi ada contoh kalimat pendek tentang hobi. Nanti tak baca terlebih dahulu, nanti setelah itu diikutin ya. Okay. I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Together. I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Raise your voice. Suaranya. I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Okay. Next. I enjoy playing guitar.
I enjoy playing guitar.
Okay. Next. My hobby is swimming.
My hobby is swimming.
There's some of difficult vocabulary that you don't understand. Nothing. Okay. Next to the stage 2 about questioning. Activity 1, student ask question about grammar or meaning difference. For example, I like and I love. Okay. Okay. There is example of question about Rina and Tika hobbies. Then now write this question on your book and answer directly. Jadi silakan ditulis soalnya lalu nanti diisi yang kosong. Nah, ini udah ada contohnya kata yang possible atau yang bisa dipakai untuk mengisi kalimat yang rumpang, yang kosong. Ya, ditulis. Ini sekalian diisi ya. Kalimatnya yang kosong. Kata yang kosong. Udah? Udah? Okay. Then what's the answer from first question from Tika? Apa jawabannya? Kalimat yang kata yang kosong yang nomor pertama. Apa? Cooking. Okay. Then from Rina, oh really? I like blah 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 too. Okay. What's your answer for this question? It seems. Okay. Okay, not bad. Okay, next to the stage 3, exploring. Activity 1, students read the dialogue text based on the dialogue example that has been given by the teacher. Okay, there is a short dialogue text or example from the dialogue text. Then you should read that text. Okay. Jadi kalian di sini tugasnya sama seperti yang tadi, membaca ya. Lalu identifikasi apa jawaban yang kira-kira cocok untuk menjawab 5 soal di bawahnya. Oke. Saya kasih waktu 5 menit untuk membaca lalu menjawab. Okay. So, what's the first answer from this question? Apa jawaban untuk soal nomor pertama? What is Rina's hobby? Apa hobinya Rina? Playing ya. Jadi di sini playing itu untuk mengungkapkan bahwa hobi itu sedang dilakukan, atau bahasanya menggunakan verb ditambah in ya. Itu untuk menyatakan bahwa hobi itu sedang dilakukan, atau menyatakan bahwa itu adalah kegiatan yang dilakukan di masa sekarang ya, atau masa akan datang. Okay. Then second question, what's the next to the second question, what's the answer? What the answer from this? Okay, maybe you can give your answer. Your opinion. Playing badminton too. Okay, that's right. Excellent. Next to the third question, do they have the same hobby? Apakah mereka memiliki hobi yang sama? Yes. Okay. That's right. Okay, for the question number 4, what's the answer? We continue to number 4. What's the answer from this question? What day does Rina usually play badminton? Hari apa yang biasanya Rina bermain badminton? Hari apa? What? Weekend. Okay, that's right. Rina usually do that hobbies on weekends, or maybe in Saturday or in Sunday with Andy, right? Okay. For the last question, what does Andy suggest at the end of the conversation? Apa yang disarankan Andy kepada Rina di akhir percakapan? Okay, that's correct. Excellent. Okay, next to the stage 4. Okay, here I have some pictures. Then you should pair or link this picture into the sentence. Jadi pasangkan gambarnya dengan kalimat yang benar, yang sesuai. Yang mana? Okay. From the first sentence, where's the correct picture? Dari kalimat pertama. Nah, apa? You should say what's the sentence. Which the sentence?
I enjoy swimming.
What?
I enjoy swimming.
I enjoy swimming in the morning. For the second pictures for you, what's the right answer? What's the right picture? Okay, where's the right sentence? Mana kalimat yang benar?
My hobby is
My hobby is drawing.
drawing.
Okay, correct. 7. Then, for the last, where the correct sentence for the last picture? Together. Only together. Jadi, silakan dijawab bersama. Okay. What's the sentence?
I love listening to
I love listening to music. Okay, that's right. Okay. Then for activity 2, teacher gives short sentence with wrong first or false and sentence correctly. Okay, here I will give you example of the sentence. Okay, example. Where's the correct verb and where the incorrect? Jadi saya berikan contoh kalimat mana yang benar dan mana yang salah. Silakan dikoreksi dari dua kalimat ini. Mana yang benar, mana yang salah. Where's the correct?
I like them.
And where's the incorrect verb? Where's the incorrect sentence?
I am like them before.
Okay, that's incorrect, right? Okay. For the last sentence, where's the correct and where's the incorrect? Mana yang benar? Kalimat dari dua kalimat terakhir, mana yang benar dan mana yang salah? Yang benar atas atau yang benar bawah atau sebaliknya? Atau bagaimana? She enjoys cooking. Is that incorrect or correct? Apakah itu yang benar atau yang salah? Incorrect. Okay. Where's the correct verb? Where's the correct sentence?
She enjoy to cook.
She enjoy to cook. Okay, that's right. Correctly. And then for the last stage, make it do it better than before. Jadi lakukan sebaik mungkin karena ini yang terakhir. Lakukan yang terbaik daripada yang sebelumnya. Okay. I will give you some activity. You should write a short paragraph. Example for until 5 sentences about your hobbies in your notebooks. Okay. And I given you the example. Jadi udah tak kasih contoh di sini ya untuk kalimatnya. Nah, sekarang tugasnya kalian buat seperti ini, pendek aja. Jadi deskripsikan hobi. Ya, tulis sekarang di buku. Tulis sekarang di buku dan deskripsikan apa hobi favorit kalian. Okay, 1 minute left. Gak usah terlalu panjang-panjang, singkat aja seperti yang dicontoh, like on example. Okay, is it clear? Okay, then from you read what you written in your books. Okay, baca apa yang sudah kamu tulis.
My hobby is cooking. I love making food. I also enjoy trying new recipes. I get these recipes from social media like Instagram and TikTok.
Okay, so I think do you like cooking in kitchen, right? Okay, you?
My hobby is swimming and I like to swim in lakes with my friends. Swimming makes me happy.
Okay, that's incredible hobbies. Okay, for the last activity, I will give hints for you, then guess that hobby. Jadi nanti diberikan uh, tebakan, lalu nanti jawab dengan benar apa hobi yang sudah disebutin tadi. Okay. From the first hobbies, from the first hobby is I use a ball, I play outside, and I wear shoes. So what is it hobby? What is that hobby?
Football.
Football. Okay, that's right. For the last question for you, I am a sport that uses a racket and shuttlecock, and I usually play indoors. Badminton. Okay, that's right. Then students take turns giving hints about their own hobbies. Okay, maybe is it enough for the class today? And I want to say thank you very much for you two for being a student for my projects. Yes, I can say thank you very much. That's enough. And maybe if I have some mistakes while I'm teaching, or I ask I ask you to forgive me. Okay, that's all from me.